What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I'm going to start my drift build. This is the Secure D5, and this tube chassis is from K-Pop RC. I won this on his channel, and this is an integrated tube chassis that goes right onto the Secure chassis, so it's got to be built together. And been putting this off until I could get the parts in, because when I started I want to finish it, and I've got my electronics in now. It's the V5 rocket, 10.5 turn motor, and the V5 rocket ESC. So anybody that hasn't used the rockets, very good for the price. Got the servo. I've got radio. I've got everything except the gyro. I cannot find it. I know I've got one, just don't know where it's at right now. So I'm going to set this to the side. And before I get started, I want to give a shout out to RC for All, Cycle Garage, Sean's RC Adventures, and the RC Conference Live. That's my newest stickers to the board that I haven't had an opportunity to. Here's another one, his stickers. Cycle Garage stickers, very, very nice stickers. So let's go ahead and open it up here and just see what we got. Just the bags of parts here, gears, gear oil, wheels, tire tools, antennas, pinion mount, or pinion, and looks like some kind of, I don't know what that frame's for. Here's the chassis, the main plate, magnet mounts. This does come with the magnets. Top tower, or second story, top deck there. More gears and parts. Looks like the transmission. Motor plate there. Shock bag. There's some drive shafts and steering components. Here's the book. It's a cool sticker sheet. Yeah, I like those. We'll leave them out. Instruction booklet, going to need that. This is not going to be your run-of-the-mill, follow step-by-step build, because this is getting the K-Pop chassis incorporated. So it's going to be a little more involved. This, I'm not sure exactly, but it's got to be built together. So it's not going to be a simple step-by-step procedure from the book. And I know the transmission's got to be flipped around to make it more of a mid-engine, I believe. I'm not sure exactly. I've got I'm going to do a lot of this just by winging it, and if I got any questions, I can always reach out to him and hit him up on Instagram, and I'm sure he will let me know what I'm doing wrong or what I need to do. Now with this, you can only run shorty batteries. That's what this is here. It'll sit behind the seat. I've already attached the steering wheel mount. So that will be right side steering. This is the Hilux, Toyota Hilux tube chassis. So I'll leave a link to K-Pop in the description. Go check out his channel if y'all's not subscribed to K-Pop. He does it live every Tuesday night, and that's always a lot of fun. I'll leave a link for the stuff I'm using, the stuff I've got, where I got it from, if I can. If not, then I won't, but I'll try. So that's going to do it for this. I don't know if I'll do a build video on this or just like a hyperlapse. I'm sure there's a lot of D5 builds already out there, so it's not like people really needed another one. So maybe some type of hyperlapse or something, I don't know. But that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Also check out the channels RC for All, Psycho Garage, Sean's RC Adventures. Thanks for the stickers, guys. If you all have stickers and you want to see them on my sticker board, my email is in my about section. Send me an email. I'll send you my address, and you can send me your stickers. And if you would want some RC Voodoo stickers for your channel, if you have a board or you just want some, I'll be happy to trade with you. So that's going to do it, guys. Until next time, take care.